So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Have you installed Android 17 but can't find the new App Bubbles feature? You long press an app icon expecting to see the option to turn it on into a floating window but nothing appears. In this video, I'll show you how to check whether your phone supports the feature, where to look for it and why it may not be available on your device just yet. Let's get started. So first, make sure your phone is actually running Android 17. Open Settings. Go to About Phone, then tap Android version. Confirm that the Android 17 is installed. Keep in mind that owning a recent Android phone doesn't automatically mean Android 17 features is available. Google is rolling out the Android to Pixel devices first, with other eligible Android devices following throughout 2026. Next, make sure your phone is fully updated. Just open Settings, System, then Software Update and install any available Android system updates. Now let's test the feature. From your home screen or the app drawer, long press a supported app. If your device has received the feature, you should see the option to turn that app into a bubble or a floating window. Select it, and the app should open in the compact floating window that says and stays above other apps, making it multitasking much easier. Remember, this tutorial is about the new Android 17 App Bubbles feature that turns an entire app into a floating window. It's different from the older notification conversation bubbles used by messaging apps. Now, if you don't see the bubble option, don't assume the feature is unavailable. Try another stranded app. Some apps may support the feature immediately and others not. Next, restart your phone and test again. If you're using a third-party launcher, temporarily switch back to your phone's default one. Some launcher replacements may not display new Android features in the same way as the manufacturer's default launcher. Also, if your phone is managed by your workplace, your device management policies may limit multitasking features, including app bubbles. Because Android manufacturers customize their software, don't expect every phone to place this option in exactly the same menu. On smartphones, supported apps typically appear as compact floating windows that you can move around to the screen. That's how it works. On supported tablets and larger screen Android devices, app bubbles may instead appear in a dedicated bubble bar along the bottom of the display, making it easier to switch between multiple floating apps. So even if the feature exists, its appearance can be varied depending on your device's screen size and software implementation. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. If this guide helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Android tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.